Hi, it's Dora from Albany Library. Welcome to Rhymetime. Was it stormy at your house last night? It was really stormy at my house, and it's still even raining. There was thunder and lightning and some little drops of hail. It was lots of fun to watch. Today we're going to sing some rainy songs, and we've had some song requests as well. You'll hear some of those. The first one is Incy Wincy Spider. Oh, because it's baby rhyme time, let's do the baby version first. Let me get my baby. Here we go. If you don't have a baby in your family, you could use a little teddy. I've used my teddies before too. Okay, let's get our spiders ready. Here we go. Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. And Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. Yay! Oh, babies love that song. Let's pop baby down there and let's do the kids version. Okay, you can do this one along with me. Hold your spout up like this with your drain and get your spiders ready. Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. And Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. Yay! Oh, I love an Incy Wincy song. That one's fun. This time let's do one called Rain, Rain, Go Away. We do like the rain though, don't we? It's great for the garden and great for the farmers. Oh, I'm not sure about when it's hailing though. But this one's called Rain, Rain, Go Away, and we can put some of our own names into this song. Let's go with, oh, I might get my musical instrument too. I think this will be a good one for this song. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Dora wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. This time, would you like to do your name? Great, here we go. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. What's your name? Yay, the kids want to play. Rain, rain, go away. This time let's do Mummy. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Mummy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Should we do Daddy's this time? Okay. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Daddy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Oh, what about brothers and sisters? Do you have any brothers or sisters in your family? I've got 2 brothers. I'll sing brothers, and if you have brothers, you can sing brothers, or you can sing sisters, or you can do cousins as well. Here we go, ready? Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Brothers want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Yay! Oh, that's a good one. You can do that one with all the people in your family. Okay, this time let's do one called I Hear Thunder. Did you hear thunder last night? Makes a big sound, doesn't it? I've got my djembe drum for this song. Okay. Oh, and do you know what? If you would like to bang on a drum, you can pause the video and go and get a saucepan, or you might even have a djembe drum at your house, but a saucepan or a container, or you can just use your lap. Okay, here we go. Ready? I hear thunder, I hear thunder. Hark, don't you, hark, don't you. Pitter, patter, raindrops, pitter, patter, raindrops. I'm wet through, so are you. Oh, good job. Let's do that one again. Ready? I hear thunder, I hear thunder. Hark, don't you, hark, don't you. Pitter, patter, raindrops, pitter, patter, raindrops. I'm wet through, so are you. Oh, good job. Did you do some banging on the drum as well? Great. Okay, this time let's make our own storm. Did you know that with your hands, these hands right here, we can make a storm? Get your hands and put them together, give them a rub. And can you hear that sound? Doesn't that sound like the wind and the leaves rustling in the trees? That's how we start our storm. Give your hands a rub, rustle, rustle, rustle. There's the leaves in the trees. Oh, it's getting stronger and stronger. And then we can hear some rain drips, raindrops. And the rain is getting heavier. Heavy, heavy, heavy rain. And then the thunder. Stomp your feet, stomp, stomp. Oh, there's the thunder. And no more stomping, just the rain. And it's slowing down. The rain is going away. And now there's only a couple of raindrops. And the rain stopped. And now it's just the wind and the leaves rustling in the trees. And that's the end of the storm. Good job. Okay, are you ready to sing one more song? Sometimes after a big storm, what can we see in the sky? Yeah, a rainbow. That's right. Oh, love all the colours in a rainbow. I thought it might be fun to have a rainbow picture for this song, so I drew a little rainbow and coloured it in with some textures. You could make a rainbow for your house too for singing this song. Okay, are you ready? Let's do these colours: red and yellow, pink, green, purple, orange and blue. Here we go. Red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too. Oh, did you like that one? I did too. Let's do that one again. Ready? Starting from the top. Red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. We can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too. Oh, lovely. What a lovely colourful song. And I've got a really colourful story today too. This one is called Roo Knows Blue. And what colour is the cover of this book? Yeah, it's blue. And there's our Roo. This story is by Renee Treml and it's published by Puffin books. Here we go. Roo Knows Blue. Little Roo hops along and sings this song. The sky, the lake, some flowers too. Roo knows, Roo knows, Roo knows blue. Little Roo hops along and sings this song. A fox, some rocks, a parrot's head. Roo knows, Roo knows, Roo knows blue. Silly Roo, that's not blue, that's red. Yeah, you guessed it. Little Roo hops along and sings this song. Wattle's moth's a golden fellow. Roo knows, Roo knows, Roo knows blue. Silly Roo, that's not blue. You knew the colour. That's yellow. Yellow, what a lovely yellow page. Little Roo, there are lots more colours than just blue. There's pink and green and purple too. Do you get it? Yes, I do. There are lots more colours than just blue. So now, I think he's got another song. Little Roo hops along and sings this song. A lizard's frill, the sunset too. Roo knows, Roo knows, Roo knows. Orange! Well done, Roo. Oh, that's great. What a fun, colourful story. That was Roo Knows Blue. Okay, are you ready for another song? Great. This time let's do It's Raining, It's Pouring, because guess what? It's just started raining at my house again. Okay, I might use my shaker this time. Yeah, that makes a really cool rain sound, doesn't it? Here we go. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed with a bump on his head and he couldn't get up in the morning. Oh dear. Should we do that one again? What a silly song about a man in bed. Here we go. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed with a bump on his head and he couldn't get up in the morning. Oh dear, never mind. And that's the end of Rhyme Time. Thank you for joining me, and don't forget, if you have some favourite rhymes that you would like us to sing at Rhyme Time or Story Time, message us on Facebook or send us an email or comment on this post. See you next time. Have a lovely day and stay dry. Bye.